Mashallah, our green chilies. As you can see, it's very big, this chilies. Oh, and so many come also. Huh? Huh? Which one? With what you remove there? Eh? Oh, mashallah. So, our eggplant also, my husband plant, how many days this one already? 2 months. 2 months or 1.5 months? Minimum 2 months when my husband plant this green chilies, this eggplants, and what is more he plant here, and some I think this there is also capsicum. Now I will show you the green chilies. Oh, ayan. Ang ganda ng flowers. And also these eggplants also, ayan, may mga bunga na. Oh, this is good eggplant because it's long. This is long one. Oh, ayan. Yan, oh. Galing. Yan, oh. Mashallah. Ayan, mga eggplants. Oh, ilang puno din ito. Marami din puno itong eggplants, oh. Ayan, oh. Ganda ng mga flowers. Ayan, meron din. Ayan, oh. Sumayad na sa lupa. Oh. Ayan. Wow. Ayan, oh. Galing, oh. Wow. My husband said he will get 2 or 3 pieces because now this is ready to get. Oh, ayun. Wow. Mashallah. Yan mga eggplants. You can see these tomatoes also. It's only one plant, one only tree of tomato, but no. This is also tomatoes. Oh, marami na din bunga. Ayan, oh, galing. Mashallah. Ayan, tomatoes din, oh. Green chilies, ayan. Ito malaki din, oh. Ang haba ng green chili. Oh. Ayan, mga green chilies. Oh. Ayan, oh. So, no need to buy green chilies and also eggplant, inshallah. There is also tomato here. Oh. Ayan, this kind of tomato is very good. Oh. Yun bang parang hugis ng kalabasa. And also our sponge guard. Ayan, oh. Yung patola, tori. Ayan. And this is my krili, ampalaya. Ayan, sana maraming bunga ito. And this is cucumber. Oh. Galing. You can see the leaves. Yan, green chilies. Daming bunga. Oh, plant. Naku. Nakakatuwa. There is also eggplant here. Yung yung buto ng ampalaya na ginulay ko, may red. Hindi ito dried na seeds ng ampalaya. So dito ko, sabi ko kay Lakay, dito na lang itanim. So ayan, I don't know what is this kind of I think this is maro, I think this one. Yun yung eggplant. Oh. Ayan. This is good because it's long one. Because eggplants here in Pakistan yung oblong ba. So this is good variety because it's the long one. It's like in Philippines. Oh, ayan, ito yung mga crumb. Yun bang Chinese pichay. You can see the leaves, and also there is already flowers. Mm. Mm. Yan. Yan mga corns namin. Oh. 2 to 3 days daw, sabi ng asawa ko, kunin niya itong bunga na malalaki. Yan, mayroon din doon, tomatoes. Oh. Ayan. Ang lalaki ng bunga ng green chilies. Our goats now ready to, my husband is ready to go in jungle if there is no rain. You know this kind of vegetables, this is fenugreek leaves. They call it hermeti. And this is very good also. Vegetables. Yan. So we have to get now also this one, then I can cook also. You can mix with the potatoes or Yan, meti. Masarap ito, matamis-tamis yung lalo na pag organic. If not organic, then much better organic vegetables, this meti or fenugreek leaves. Yan yung dahon niya. Ito, yan. Daming mansanas. Oh. As you can see over there, it's already broken the branches because of fruits, abundance of fruits. Oh, ayan. Ayun din, oh. Mashallah, by this year, too much fruits of apples. Oh. And this kind of vegetables also is ganar. It's like kulitis, kalunay kung sa Ilocano. And you can cook also this one. So I will get this one only little. So I will cook this one, kalunay. This only coming on summer. Come by self. No need to plant this one. This kulitis, kalunay.